You likely clicked into this video because you are a woman who feels stuck. Stuck when it comes to improving your English. You feel like you've hit a plateau, and now it's starting to negatively affect your mental health.
Not only that, but you've also either tried everything you see online, or you've thrown your money away on teachers or courses that just throw you into an academy with no guidance and no direction.
So here's our promise to you. We're going to walk you through our 3-step R.E.M cycle. The same method that helps our clients stop overthinking and start to actually use the English they already learned. If you promise to apply this part of our method, we promise that you'll start to notice a shift, a big change in how your brain processes what you learn online.
We have spent years mastering our techniques, and our clients notice powerful changes, usually faster than they expect. But what matters most is that the progress actually sticks. No more learning and forgetting. No more starting over. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button and be sure to give this video a thumbs up so that we can reach more women in the algorithm.
We need you to really ask yourself, why am I feeling stuck? Am I not smart? Is English too hard for me? If you answered yes, then you need a reality check. You are not the problem. The system and the way it's built is what failed you.
Currently, English is taught as a memory skill. It's just words that you say in the right order with the right mouth shapes. Then you're fluent! However, when you get an English-speaking job or when you move to an English-speaking country, suddenly you feel alone, and none of the skills that you have learned are helping you in real-world scenarios.
Fluency in any language isn't just about memorizing grammar rules and advanced vocabulary. The textbooks don't teach you about body language, tone, and modern words used in everyday conversations. Instead, they drill information into your brain and then blame you when the conversations get awkward.
We saw this happen all the time with women we coached one-on-one. So to help them, and now you, we created the R.E.M cycle, a 3-step method that helps you stop passively consuming English content and actually start remembering and using what you learn. Whether you're watching videos, reading articles, or learning new vocabulary, this method gives your brain a system it can rely on.
The first letter stands for recognize. In order to improve, you have to first identify what the actual problem is. Saying, I'm a bad speaker, is not identifying the root cause. Is it your pronunciation, your grammar, or do you just freeze when you meet new people? Each of these challenges require a different solution. Sadly, there isn't just one magic fix.
You need to dig deep. Ask yourself, what specifically am I struggling with? If you're unsure, you can ask your coaches to help you. And if you don't have a coach, we'll get to that later. But for now, simply dig deep. Some of our clients came into our program saying that they were bad at grammar. But then we recognize that they are typically struggling with only one aspect of grammar, not all of it in general.
After recognizing your main struggle, we then move to E, experiment. Simply gathering knowledge and then walking away with it isn't enough. We typically forget about 70% of everything we learn within 24 hours unless we apply it or actively review it. So if you're learning new words but you never try them out, that's exactly why you're stuck. You have to experiment with what you're learning in real conversations, messages, or even voice notes.
This is how we are different. Traditional schools and courses just tell you to memorize and practice. But they never teach you how to practice in a way that sticks. We believe that fluency happens when you use what you've learned in real life, messy, unscripted moments. That's when your brain starts to trust the knowledge.
Think of it like learning a dance. If someone just told you the steps without showing them or letting you practice, Would you feel confident performing that dance? Of course not. It's the same with English. You need to see it, try it, and repeat it before you perform. It's the same logic here. You can't expect to see it once and immediately have it mastered. That's when you punish yourself for not being good enough.
We have one more step, and we're really excited for the R.E.M cycle to work for you. If you've made it this far in our video, it sounds like you are ready to try our proven way of bettering your English. Hit that subscribe button and let's move to M, Master.
Now, mastery does not mean perfection. It means that you have integrated that skill so well that it feels natural. Some women in our program don't even notice the shift until we point it out to them. That's how powerful this method is. And how long it takes you to get from experiment to master depends on your focus and consistency. But it will happen if you don't give up.
A great way to know if you've mastered something, like a new vocabulary word, is by teaching it. Can you explain it to someone who's never heard it before? Is it easy for them to understand? If you can teach it to someone easily, you have mastered it. Now our question for you is, what next? Do you know what your next steps are? Where to start?
So many women we have spoken to have been missing one major factor when they feel like their English isn't improving anymore. Guidance. Someone to help them break the habits that hold them back. Someone to support them and reassure them they're learning the right things. The things that will push them to the next level without burning out. These women need a communication coach.
Not an English teacher, a communication coach who has mastered speech, body language, and the ability to talk to anyone about any topic. As of this recording, our program has saved our clients over $8,000 in this year alone. Stop throwing your money away on courses with no structure and vocabulary lists that should be free.
If you're a woman struggling with this, click the link in our description to book a free call with us. We'll talk about your English fluency challenges and how to overcome them. And if you're still making common beginner mistakes, don't worry. Watch this video where we teach you how to use the past tense more naturally. See you there.